welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another Jay's Delicious Vibe. So today, guys, I will be making some chicken alfredo with broccoli. So guys, this is my first time making it, so I want to see how that's gonna come out. So what I have here to make the alfredo is some pasta. I have butter, onion powder, some broccoli, some Parmesan cheese. I have some heavy cream. I also have some all-purpose Maggi seasoning, and I have some milk right here, and I have some chicken right here to make the alfredo. So guys, stay tuned on the next process on what I am going to do to make my chicken alfredo. So guys, I just washed my chicken, so now I'm gonna season it with some onion powder. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little, not a lot. And then I'm gonna use some all-purpose Maggi. Now I'm gonna use some black pepper. And this amount of salt. Just sprinkle it in it. Then I'm gonna use a spoon to mix everything together. So guys, I'm gonna do this and get back to you, okay? So guys, this is how the chicken look after I finish seasoning it. And over here I put some oil, butter and garlic. I'm just gonna saute the garlic for a little while. Then I'm gonna add the chicken. So guys, I just added the chicken. I'm gonna make it fry for a little bit. I don't want it to be crispy, so I'm gonna cover it because I want it to be, you know, moist. I don't want it to be fried till it's dry out. So I'm just gonna let it fry for some minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover it and let it steam. So over here guys, we have some water. I'm gonna set aside to boil before I add my pasta into it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil just to prevent the pasta from sticking, and a little bit of salt. Then I'm just gonna cover it and leave it to boil before I add my pasta. So guys, this is how the pasta is looking. These are how big they are. But before I add them to the pot, I'm just gonna rinse them off before I add them. Right here, I'm gonna parboil my broccoli in some salt water before I do anything. So guys, this is how the chicken is coming along. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna remove the chicken from the oil and the garlic. So guys, I'm gonna use this same oil to make my sauce. Reason why I'm using it, because all the seasoning from the chicken is in the oil, so I'm just gonna use it to make my So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add the cow's milk to this. Then I'm gonna add the cream to this also. So guys, I just add my pasta to the boiling water. I'm gonna let it cook until it's cooked, and then I'm gonna show you the next process. And over here we have the sauce that I'm gonna make, the alfredo sauce. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm gonna add some onion powder to this. Also gonna add some black pepper, and some salt. I'm just gonna stir it. Guys, don't mind the yellowness. The yellow is from the butter. So I'm just gonna mix it out, everything out. So guys, I'm gonna just mix it until it becomes thick. But if it don't become thick, I'm gonna add some flour to give it the thickness. That's the finishing look of my sauce. I didn't have to put any flour to thicken it up because it's already self-thick. So I'm just gonna show you the next step, what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, I added my broccoli. Now I'm gonna add my chicken in it. Then I'm gonna stir everything, like everything get creamy and nice, just like this. Now I'm gonna add my pasta. So this is the finishing look of my pasta. I'm just gonna add them little to the sauce because I don't want the pot to be overcrowded, so I'm just gonna add them little. This is how it's looking. Yes guys, this is how my chicken Alfredo looks. There's the chicken, there's the pasta, and there's the broccoli. Creamy. So guys, this is the finishing look of my chicken Alfredo. And over here I have some garlic bread at the side. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And stay tuned for another upload from me.